शब्द भितर संभव लुचि रही। एही उद्धृति आजिर आम टपर मानकर आत्मविश्वास और कठिन परिश्रम सूत्र को प्रतिबिंबित करे।
एक विचार को पकड़ो, उस एक विचार को अपना जीवन बनाओ, उस पर सोचो, उसके सपने देखो, उस पर जियो। यह छात्रों को अपने सफलता जैसी परीक्षा में पर पूरी तरह ध्यान केंद्रित करने के लिए प्रेरित करता है।
Now let's honor our class 10 toppers, for which I humbly request our chief guest to present the achievers.
The second topper of 2020-25, Liptimai Samal, secures 97.2% and she receives 1,500 cash prize and a trophy from the school management. The third topper of 2020-25, Somesh Jena, secures 96.8% and he receives 1,000 rupees cash prize and a trophy from the school management. Congratulations, children. God bless. So she receives 4,000 rupees. Priti Pragya Brahma, please be on the stage.
Further ado.
Abhijit Baral, he scores centum in chemistry, history and computer and receives 3,000 rupees. Huge hand of applause for the children. Somesh Jena, he scores 100 in chemistry and 100 in biology. So he receives 2,000 rupees. Preetham Priyadarshan, he too scores in chemistry and history. So he receives 2,000 rupees. Liptimai Samal, she got a centum in chemistry and computer. She too receives 2,000 rupees cash. Ansuman Agarwal, he kept centum in history. So receives a 1,000 rupees cash prize. Om Priyansu, he got centum in maths. Wow. And he receives 1,000 rupees. Chinmay Mishra, she gets 100 in computer and she receives 1,000 rupees cash. Asmi Ishani Das, she scores 100 out of 100 in computer and she receives 1,000 rupees cash prize. Subhojit Panda gets 1,000 rupees for keeping 100 out of 100 in chemistry. Anvesa Samal, she got centum in biology and she received 1,000 rupees. Lagnijit Mishra, he gets 1,000 rupees cash prize for keeping 100 out of 100 in history. Congratulations to all the children.